Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move videos or photos to an SD card on your Android phone. So I'm using a Motorola phone right here. Now, one of the reasons you might not be able to move it is because you're using the Photos application. So I got Google Photos on here somewhere, and that application simply doesn't allow you to move anything. So I can like hold down on that photo and then go to the top, and it just gives me the option to delete it. So if I click on the photo actually here and then go to share, sometimes you have the option to move under here, but I don't see anything under here as well. So I don't see a default gallery app on my phone at all. So I want to go to the Play Store and then type in gallery on the top, or just go to search on the bottom and type in gallery. All right. And then we can get the gallery application here, and this is probably the easiest way to just move stuff. Otherwise, you can do it through the My Files as well. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So just download one of these. Most of them are good. This one's got 10 million downloads. This one's got 5. The Google one is pretty simple, gallery. It's different than Google Photos, so we can tap on this and open up. And here it is. Now, what you want to do is go to like New Folder, and then just create a new folder on here, whatever you want to call it. And then you can move photos to this folder. So let's do SD card or something like that so I know which one it is. And then create. Moving to folder. So I moved something over there already. So let's move this one over here. Go up the top. Go to move to folder. Allow. And then I can go to my SD card. And it's going to move wherever that video is to there. It looks like a small little house. And then we're good. So very simple. Now another way that you can do this is through files. So let's swipe up from the bottom, go to files, tap this, and go back. And once you get to this screen, you can see your storage and stuff. And we can go down to all storage, and I can see my SD card, my internal storage. So I want to go to my internal storage. I only have 590 megabytes free. And I think this is a 512 or 256 gigabytes. So there's a lot of photos on here. And then I can go down to DCIM. This is typically where you're storing your pictures when you take them. And then you can see like camera. This is probably going to be camera, Facebook. Got Instagram on there or something. So let's go to camera, and you can see, yeah, there's a lot of photos on here. So if I swipe up, you can see all these different documents. Now, if there was an option to select all, you can see select all. I could select all these and move them over to that SD card. Real quick, but let's just choose one and go to move to, or you can go to copy. If you go to move, it's going to delete it from your internal storage. If you go to copy, it's going to keep a copy of it. And then once you press it, you can go to move to. So let's move this little video to the SD card, and then go on down, and you want to move it to probably the DCIM slot again. And then make sure you have a folder in here, so you can go to add new folder. You can see my SD card folder I created is on here. Go to move here, and it moved over. So very simple to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.